Hi, today we have Accusil Putty. This is an introduction and usage instructions video. Now this Accusil Putty is highly viscous impression material for taking accurate impressions with high dimensional stability, and it is mint flavored, and this putty is very soft. Now this box comes with a normal setting time of Accusil Putty. It contains two jars, one with the base paste and the second with the catalyst paste. So this box is an intro kit of Accusil Putty and is developed by Prevest DenPro. So let's open up the box and see what are the contents inside. Now here we see a blue jar which is a base paste for Accusil Putty, and then again this is a white jar which is a catalyst paste for Accusil Putty. Now along with the jars we get the white scoop and the blue scoop desired for the respective catalyst as well as the base paste. Now again we have the instructions manual which contains the detailed descriptions along with compositions, indications, how we need to use, what is the working time. So this should be read very carefully for optimum usage of Accusil Putty. So let's learn to use it and prepare a putty index. Now remember to use the blue scoop for the blue jar that contains the base paste, and take the desired amount limited to the rim of the scoop or as per your desired usage. Now similarly we will collect the catalyst paste with the help of white scoop. Now we will again take the catalyst paste up to the rim of this white scoop. Always remember to close the lids of the jar after collecting the desired paste. So let's begin with the mixing and the working of the Accusil Putty. But before that we should remember that we should not use the latex gloves or the powdered gloves for mixing or the manipulation of the Accusil Putty. Now first we collect the base paste and form a palette. Then over this base paste we will just drop a ball of this catalyst paste and start rolling it. This will be our mixing time. We should roll it inwardly, and this should be around 40 to 45 seconds. We should completely form a uniform homogeneous mix, and till the time before we place it into the patient's mouth, that is our working time, it should be around 2 to 2 minutes 30 seconds. So this is our uniform homogeneous mix. Now this can be used to take the impression and prepare an index for the desired tooth. Now we should take the impression of the desired tooth as well as cover up the adjacent tooth, and also include the vestibular depth uniformly covering it so that we get a proper index. So after placing it on the desired teeth or into the patient's mouth, we can wait for 2 minutes to 2 minutes 30 seconds, and then we can easily remove it. So this is the uniform impression that we obtained from the impression that we took for the desired tooth as well as for the adjacent teeth. Now we can just cut it off and form the desired section for the preparation of the index. After our putty index is ready, we should check it and place it on the desired teeth surfaces and inspect for any spaces or any openings. And if there are any spaces or any openings, we have to repeat the impression again. So this is our final index with the help of Accusil Putty. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.